Today's episode is 96's reaction to 80's Hoyu snore gets replaced with number block 54's snore, and this video has been requested by Choni Wangmo. Enjoy the video.
Hi fellas. I'm 96. I'm doing a reaction on 80's Hoyu snore gets replaced with number block 54's snore, but this is going to be abysmally disgusting as crap. Anyways, let's get straight into the reaction. Oh my gosh. This is making me traumatized. I should rest now. Well, thank gosh this video ended. That was so humid. Anyways, stay tuned for episode 107.